Enjoy Home Remedies brings you 10 surprising uses for your old tea bags. If you drink tea regularly, you probably go through a lot of tea bags. Wouldn't it be nice if there was something useful you could do with all those tea bags, rather than just throwing them out? Well, the good news is that there are actually plenty of ways to put all those tea bags to good use. Let's take a look. Number 1. Absorb unpleasant odors. Tea leaves can help absorb odors without leaving behind any overpowering scents. Place a dry, used tea bag in a drawer, closet, fridge, or even your shoes to leave them smelling fresher. Number 2. Treat rashes and bug bites. Tea bags can provide soothing relief from minor rashes and bug bites. Apply a damp, cool tea bag to the affected area. The tea will help reduce inflammation and take the edge off the itch. Number 3. Restore shine to your hair. You can use tea to make your hair shiny and smooth. Use a couple of used tea bags to brew a strong tea, then allow the tea to cool completely. Before a shower, pour the tea into your hair until it's completely saturated. Allow the tea to sit for about 10 minutes, then hop in the shower. Shampoo and condition your hair as normal. Your hair will thank you for this tea treatment. Number 4. Take a relaxing bath. Place 1 or 2 tea bags in your bath water next time you take a soak. The antioxidants in the tea leaves will leave your skin feeling soft and hydrated. The scent of the tea can also help you relax, especially if you use calming teas like jasmine or chamomile. Number 5. Dissolve greasy messes. Have a greasy, stuck-on mess stuck in the bottom of a pan? Place a tea bag in the pan and fill it with hot water. Allow it to soak overnight, and the tannins in the tea will help loosen the mess overnight. It'll be easy to scrub clean in the morning. Number 6. Reduce under-eye circles. Your used tea bags can help reduce puffiness or dark circles around your eyes. Place them in your fridge to cool, then hold the bags against your eyes for a few minutes. It feels lovely, and the caffeine content will work its magic to shrink the blood vessels around your eyes. You'll look more refreshed and awake. Number 7. Soothe sunburn. We all try our best to avoid sunburns, but sometimes they just happen. Tea can help you soothe sunburned skin and help reduce inflammation. Number 8. Hydrate dry skin. You can rebrew used tea bags to refresh parched skin. Allow the tea to cool, then pour it into a spray or squeeze bottle. Then just spritz it onto your skin or apply with a cotton pad. Any tea will do, but the antioxidants in green tea are particularly effective for rehydrating dry skin. Number 9. Refresh your carpets. You can use the leaves from a tea bag to freshen up your carpets. Just allow a tea bag to dry out, then remove the leaves. Stir the leaves into a big handful of baking soda, then sprinkle the mixture over dingy or smelly spots on your carpet. Let it sit for about 20 minutes, then vacuum the area thoroughly. The tea and baking soda will work together to trap dirt and absorb odors. Your carpets will look and feel much fresher. Number 10. Polish wood surfaces. Weak tea can be used to restore a nice shine to your wood floors and furniture. Steep a couple of used tea bags in warm water to make the weak tea. Then apply it to your wood surfaces with a soft rag or microfiber cloth. Give it a good buff, and your wood will be shining in no time. So, hopefully you have learned a thing or two from this list. Tea has so many excellent uses. Have you ever used tea in any of these ways? Or do you know any other good uses for tea bags? Let us know in the comments below. If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It helps us out a lot. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.